My name is David Siddons and I'm president of the David Siddons Group, and I'm incredibly proud to welcome you to our brand new listing on Key Biscayne. This is Unit 401 South in Oceana. This incredible 3,791 square foot internal unit has 4 bedrooms, a maid's room and 6.5 bathrooms, and quite honestly, the most spectacular views that you will see on Key Biscayne. And better yet, if you don't know Key Biscayne, it is walking distance to all the best shops and restaurants on the Key. You can take your golf cart, you can ride your bike, and you can enjoy what is resort living at its finest. Let me take you on the tour.